All right, welcome to MI Homes, Apex Friendship Retreat. We are going to tour the Viola floor plan. As with all of their floor plans, this will have a guest suite downstairs, which probably is the number one thing that I am asked for when searching for a home. Look at this foyer. Yes, it is gorgeous, open foyer. Wow, love. Every time I walk into one of their model homes, my first thing is, oh wow, this is my favorite. Guys, how can you pick a favorite when everything is so amazing? So you have a full bathroom here. So this will be for your guest suite as well as for your guests in general. This can be your office or your guest bedroom. And it does have a spacious walk-in closet. What? For a downstairs guest suite? That is really nice. All right, so let's step on through and come through here to the kitchen area. And again, this one's not a screen porch, it is a covered porch, but I'll take it either way and then screen in it later. Another fabulous walk-in pantry. All right, and just a really super spacious living dining area. That is a huge sofa. My gosh, and I'm loving what they did on the ceiling here. Really made this a statement piece. All right, so now let's head on up to the second floor. And one thing I will say is that this foyer just makes this entire area so incredibly grand. So we're going up. And at the top of the steps, as always, they have another fabulous loft family room area. Okay, just so big. Nice, here is the laundry room. And then we're gonna go this way to see the other bedrooms. Start at the end of the hallway. Huge, huge room. Love, love, love. So much light coming in with those windows. Walk-in closet. We're gonna head over here. Take a look down because it's so beautiful. And you have your full bath. Your other bedroom, of course, with another walk-in closet. And then down the hall here, we have the owner's suite. And again, this is the Viola floor plan, MI Homes, Apex Friendship Retreat. Okay, my only beef is no bench. But I'm sure I could get a bench in there if I wanted to. And look, woohoo! This is a closet. I mean, space galore in this closet. That's just crying for a closet system. All right, so Apex Friendship Retreat, MI Homes, and this is the Viola floor plan.